Hello and welcome to me having another go at my Amiga A500. Been having a bit of trouble with it later trying to get it working again. My friend Mark the Morose sent me some discs because I've been having trouble with the discs. And yes, I have taken it apart to get rid of the static by putting my one hand on the back of my PC on the metal bit and then putting my other hand on my fingers on the Gary chips and the CIA chips. They're actually called CIA. There's a CIA A chip, CIA B chip. So that's just the package. I'm not going to show you the front, but my address on the front, but this little simple packaging here. So let's open it up and see what we've got inside, what he sent me. Very well packaged. Let's try this. And I have cleaned, and I did use the isopropyl alcohol 99.9% last night. Cleaned the drive, so everything so far. You've got the hand, when you turn it on, you've got the clicking noise, which is also a good point. So let's try this. Okay, let's try. Okay, do Amiga control. It's like the reset. Aha. Aha, something much better. That's my second disk drive. Wow. Workbench 1.0 read-write error. Okay, finally we've got there. Got a RAM disk. Cool, this is looking really good. I should be well, let's look at the RAM disk. RAM disk, nothing on it. See that side means it's empty. Let's see, it's got E for empty, F for full, so I'm sure that would be a different colour. So there's actually nothing on the RAM disk. That needs a. So let's. I should somehow be able to make that square bigger. Oh, let's see. See, that's about 2/3 full this disc. We've got E empty, but I think so. So let's look at utilities. A clock. Well, let's look at the clock. says AM. I should be able to set that somehow, but what's system CLI fast mem, no fast mem. Not sure. Can't remember what that means. Empty. That probably means empty. Yeah, that's probably empty. So I can think on preferences. Aha! Oh look, according to this, oh look, 29th of November 78. Okay. Let's go 79, 80, 81, 84, 99, 2, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. So that'd be 2000, 2001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13, 14, 2015. And it is November. Let's can't remember today's date. Let's go and check today's date. Back in a second. To December. So let's put 9th of December. I've gone past it. 9th. The time is what? 7. So 15, 17, 1937. That's going 1937 roughly. Last. So how do I? So I presume I do save. Workbench 1.3 is write protected. So let's take disk out, which means, for those who don't know, is I can't save anything onto this disk. So what I have to do, see there's that little hole there. If I push that little blank thing down, like that, and I put it back in. I'll do. Apart from, so every time I do read write, I'll try one more time. Going around in circles here. Let's do cancel maybe. System. What's system? Oh yeah. Fast memory. I'm not sure what. Did Mark the Moros test this out properly, because it keeps on telling me it's a read write error. cancel. Okay. System. Oh, that's the system. Okay. Extra. Seems whatever I do, click on this as a read write error. Cancel. Ah. Use a mouse to choose a file or directory to open. I'm a bit scared of using any of these discs because I don't know if these I can't remember pictures. Let's see what happens if I put this what says pictures in. Don't want to ruin that drive. That seems, I don't like it when it makes that noise. Not a DOS disk in Unit 1. Texture will exit now, yes. Utilities master. Can you see? Shareware. It's a read write error. Even if I do cancel, still trying to cancel it. I can't. I can't even cancel this now. Ask. Anyway, we're kind of working. Shame about all the disk errors on this disk, but Mark them my way. Thank you very much for this. So maybe it's just the disks what don't work. So maybe I'll just try resetting it again and see what happens, because I'm not getting anywhere now. I think I need to reset. Do Amiga control or it's unreadable now. Well, I had a bit of fun. Disk struct corrupt. Use disk doctor to correct it. Not a dusted disk in. There we go. Let's just try turning it off and on again. Okay. Why is it unreadable all of a sudden? Interesting, cause look, watching this, because you can see like there's a blue band, a dark blue band, and there's a white, like a lighter blue band going up. I can see that, you can actually see that, but like, there's another darker blue band, and then there's a lighter blue band there, and there's a blue. But if I'm actually looking this not through my camera, I can't see that. I can only see that. Maybe I'll take this static thing off. Oh, you can still just see it. It's a bit of a glary thing. Anyway, thanks very much for your. I don't know. Maybe I need to clean the disk drive again. Mark my words. Thanks for sending this disk in anyway. I don't know what to do now. I'm not sure. Anyway, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Bye.